Welcome adventurers to a new episode in our mini-series, Where's That Country? This week, we're in the USA. From the steaming geysers of Yellowstone to the neon-lit streets of New York City, the icy peaks of Alaska and the sun-baked deserts of Arizona, the United States is a country built on extremes. Stretching coast to coast, this enormous nation is made up of 50 states, each with its own landscapes, cultures and identities. Long before skyscrapers, highways or national parks existed, this land was home to First Nations people, also known as Native American tribes, who've lived here for thousands of years. They developed rich cultures, languages and ways of caring for the land, many of which still continue today. So from towering redwood forests to endless prairies, mighty rivers and some very famous cities, the USA has many stories, old, new and those yet to be written. So where is the USA? The United States of America is a country in the Northern Hemisphere. Made up of a series of 50 states, they are mostly all grouped together in the country's main landmass. However, two states are a bit further away: Alaska in the northwest, which adjoins Canada, and Hawaii, a string of islands in the Pacific Ocean to the west. The USA is bordered by Mexico to the south and Canada to the north. To the east is the vast Atlantic Ocean, and to the west the even vaster Pacific Ocean. To the south it also borders the Gulf of Mexico, which leads to the Caribbean Sea. The USA has a population of over 348 million people, which is the third largest population in the entire world. Its official language is English. To say hello, you say, hello, or maybe, in America, you might say, howdy. The capital is Washington, D.C., and when you're there, you'll be spending the US dollar. Now let's take a look at the flag of the United States of America. The flag of the country of the USA is made up of two sections. Firstly, the blue rectangle in the top left. Blue represents vigilance, perseverance and justice. And on this are 50 white stars. These each represent one of the 50 states that make up the country. The remaining area of the flag is made up of red and white horizontal stripes. There are 13 in total, and they represent the 13 original colonies of the nation. Red stands for valor and bravery, and white stands for purity and innocence. The nickname for the flag is the Stars and Stripes, and I think it's pretty clear to see why. Well, that wraps up our latest episode of Where's That Country? It was great to learn where the United States of America is on the map. Have a look on a globe to see if you can point it out for yourself. And make sure to check out the rest of our videos on YouTube and listen to our podcast on Spotify for all our latest world adventures. You can also join the World Adventurer Club over on Patreon, where you can get early access to content and free activity packs. We'll see you next time for another edition of Where's That Country? Psst, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.